What's up, everybody? Today I'm eating pasta. I made myself a bowl right here. So, this I sauteed some. Oh wow. I sauteed some, why can't I think of the word? Onion and mushroom. And then I added some spinach. And then the sauce is just, I forget the brand, but it's sun-dried tomato Alfredo. Seasoned it up with some crushed red pepper flakes, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. And I have some sourdough. I toasted it a little bit, some sourdough bread with olive oil on it. And of course, the Parmesan cheese. It's really good. Crystallite. And I think I have to do it, guys. My vinegar. If you like vinegar and you haven't tried it on pasta, it's a must. It's so good. So, I'm not gonna lie, I film a lot. I wouldn't say a lot, but yeah. There's a lot of mukbangs I've filmed and just like did not turn out good. So I don't post any of them. You guys, some ASMR for you. Yeah, so I don't post them. And so I would have more vinegar. Woo! I would have more videos out if I just was good at this. I mentioned that I don't eat out often. And yesterday I got Burger King for a video. And it was just a really bad video. So it will not be posted. I love mushrooms, but only in certain dishes and in certain ways. Like, they taste so good in this. I also didn't mention that it's 10 a.m. I'm eating this for breakfast. Because I went grocery shopping yesterday and I bought this stuff for a mukbang. And I was like, I'll do it for lunch or dinner. But when I woke up this morning, I just needed to eat it for breakfast. Like, I'm also not a big breakfast foods person anyway. Like, I really have to be in the mood for it, and that's pretty rare. So, the sauce is not my favorite. I'm gonna be real honest. You definitely need to spice it up, because by itself, I mean, I spiced it up, but it's still not like rich enough or something. I don't know. It's like not enough flavor. It's really good though, with all the stuff added into it. Oh, I also put diced tomatoes in there. Add some cheese. Some or a lot? Yeah, a lot. A little bit of vinegar. So I don't know what video I said this in, but I mentioned my current favorite YouTuber is Fabio Madison, or mukbanger. Still reigns true. I love her. She's freaking hilarious. But currently, I've been binge watching Delexi's Eats. It's Danielle and Marjan. They're actually hilarious. Like, I cry laughing. They're that funny. Marjan just says some of the most clever things. And they always talk about boys and stuff. It's really funny. So if you don't already know them, which, not like they need a shout out from me. But yeah. I like to mention my favorite YouTubers because I want other people to be able to indulge in my favorite YouTube world. I love carbs. Whoops. Who else? Shout out to everyone. Oh no, I'm getting oil on my table. Shout out to everyone that is on a keto diet. because that must be tough, but good for you. Like, if you stick it out, I wonder if I had enough willpower if I would try to diet. I was vegan for like 4 months, just because. But your girl can't live without the carne asada fries. Like, that's my weakness. Olive oil is so good. I accidentally like drenched my bread in it, but it tastes good. So I went on a hike the other day because it's finally warm outside. It was a struggle, not gonna lie. When you go from working out 3 hours a day, because I was a college athlete, so it was like 3.5 hours a day. 5 days a week. Sometimes 6. To like working out like 3 times a week for 30 minutes. It's definitely different. Like, I used to be able to run a mile in under 6.5 minutes. What? That's what I love the most about like sports. Yeah. Just sports in general. They just keep you in such good shape. Like, there's no way in heck I would be able to run a 6:30 mile right now. I probably can't even run an 8-minute mile right now. And you know what? It's fine. Taking care of yourself and your body is the most important. Whatever that means, whatever works for you. You don't have to work out 3 hours a day to like be in shape and to feel good. I just don't know how people run for fun. Like, I see people outside jogging, I'm like, is that really fun? Alright, you guys. I'm not gonna stuff myself for the sake of the video, because this is my first meal of the day. So, to be honest, I'm very full. Whew. That was delicious. I hope you guys are doing well in your quarantine. Remember, like I've said before, just keep pushing forward and have a positive attitude, because, well, hopefully this all blows over, but if not, we will create a new normal for ourselves and everything's gonna be fine regardless. Just stay strong and... Excuse me. just stay strong, stay safe, stay inside. Actually, you know what? Go outside for a walk. Just, be cautious of those around you. Have a blessed week. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.